Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. As always, I am Finnick LaFay and today we are here with a very small haul from the mall. Recently I discovered a new shop called Brick Island and it has some vintage stuff in there and I stopped by and I'll show you what I found. But first let's get into a Magic the Gathering Spider-Man pack. Token artifact treasure, and it has Doc Ock's arm. Planes. Gangsters. Ooh. Oh, it's one of the Venom suits. Cool. Wisecrack. Ooh, Spider-Man India. Kapow. Daily Bugle. Brooklyn. Pumpkin Bombardment. Cool. I think my favorite from the pack was Spider-Man India. I'll save this for junk journaling. And then let's get into our Brick Island finds. This was in a bag of, well, a bin of pre-loved toys. A fairy tale bird. These were basically coming off the coattails of the original My Little Pony. And I'm pretty sure it was Hasbro trying their best to keep up with the popularity and make something new. Let's see if I can find Hasbro on it. Yeah, it's from Hasbro. I wasn't sure about the company. I just knew they were trying to keep up with G1. They're really hard to find now, so happy to find one. I saw some other ones there, so I might go back and get them. So, yeah. And then they had a free bin, and you know me, I love a good deal, so I went looking through the free bin. And I got a couple things. First off, I got this figure. I don't actually know who it is, but it looks like X-Men, and I was really into X-Men as a child. So I would be down to research who this guy is. Came with these two things. Interesting. Are they like an energy blast he uses or something? You can't hold them. I'll add them to my accessories jar. Next we have this figure. I have zero idea where she's from. But her outfit intrigued me. It looked like alien goop and plants. Let me know if you know where she's from. Lastly, I have She-Ra from the 80s. I found her in the free bin, and I'm really excited about her. Alright, without further ado, let's get into the eco-bricking. Really, I just have to eco-brick these couple bags. This bag has a hook on it, which I will have to toss. All right. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.